In this video, let me show you how to open Bank Islam online account Malaysia. Now you need to download the application of Bank Islam onto your device, and once the application has been downloaded, on the home page or on the first screen, you'll be able to see the option called Open a Bank Islam account. You can simply tap on this option, and before you begin, as it says right here, you need to have your MyKad ID with you, and then you need to have a Malaysian bank account so that you can make an initial deposit. So make sure that you have another online bank account of another Malaysian bank in order to make a deposit lastly. So just tap on let's get started. Now the first thing that you need to enter in is your mobile number along with your NRIC number, so make sure you enter this in, and in the next step a OTP would be sent. So once that is done, you can simply select a type of account that you want, whether it be a basic savings account or a quad savings account depending upon what you want, and then you need to fill in the information that is asked. And lastly, you need to scan a video selfie or take a video selfie of yourself. So make sure that your phone's front camera is also working. And lastly, as I said, you need to make an initial deposit using a different bank account or the online banking. And lastly, you need to create a setup, which is going to be your credentials of the user ID and the password. So that's basically it on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.